Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your location preferences on this dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser. Now I'm going to open Firefox, which is one of my main web browser on this PC, and I'm going to type plenty of fish and search it, or either you can type www.pof.com, which is the official website for Plenty of Fish. Now as you can see here, after searching the Plenty of Fish, it has given me this link, that is www.pof.com. Click on this link and it will send you to this page of the dating app. Now after you have reached the dating app, then click on search and scroll down a little. Now if you see at the right side of this web page, then you'll see filter and sort, but we need the locations. Now click on this arrow bar, that is of location, and in this location you can change the country, the state and provinces, city, postal and zip code, and also within how much kilometer you want your location preferences want to be. Now I can choose Lumbini, or I can even choose different country if I want to find another person or another users on this site. And after that you just have to hit go fishing and you'll find the many users from this dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching. If they want children's or not, so I don't want anyone with children's, or if they want to have children's, then no, and hit on go fishing, and after that you'll get many matches. But I'm on a different location, so I'm not getting any matches with these preferences, but you got the idea. And this is how you change preferences on Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.